Cucurigu! Cucurigu! The Romanian Interjection, Interjecția. Hi, this is Mihnea. Welcome to Romanian Hub, the ultimate Romanian language learning portal. In this video lesson, we will look at another aspect of Romanian grammar. Hai să începem. Let's start. An interjection is a word or expression that occurs as an utterance on its own and also shows a spontaneous feeling or reaction. It is a diverse grammatical category encompassing a number of different parts of speech, such as exclamations, ouch, wow, greetings, hey, bye, response particles, okay, oh, hesitation markers, and other words such as stop, cool. Let's make an example with an interjection in Romanian. Acum înțeleg. Acum înțeleg. Same as in English. In Romanian grammar, onomatopoeias are considered interjections. Onomatopee, is defined as a word which imitates the natural sound of things. It creates a sound effect that mimics the thing described, making the description more expressive and interesting. For example, animal sounds, sunete de animale. Now, please understand that the animal sounds in Romanian differ from the animal sounds in English or other languages. So here we go. Chip chirip, chip chirip. That's the sound the birds make. Cucurigu, cucurigu. That's the sound a rooster makes. Hum, 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 hum. Can you guess that? That's the sound a dog makes. That's the sound made when slurping liquids, especially by dogs. Again. Meow, meow. Obviously the sound made by a cat. More, more. That's the sound a bear makes. Moo, moo. That's the sound a cow makes. Now, let's look at some sound effects, or better say, let's listen to some sound effects. Efecte sonore. Țuști, țuști. It's a sound designating like a quick move. Țuști. Pac, pac. The sound of a shot, a gunshot. Pff, pff. The sound made by the fall of a large and heavy object. Fss, fss. The sound of escaping gas. Plusk, plusk. A splash, the sound of something falling in water. Plusk. And boom, boom. An explosion, the sound of a loud boom, a loud explosion. Now, let's make some sentences. Plusk. Ea și-a scăpat inelul în baltă. Plusk. Ea și-a scăpat inelul în baltă. Primul lucru auzit dimineața de Andrei este cirip, cirip. Primul lucru auzit dimineața de Andrei este cirip, cirip. Obviously, the sound of birds. Se auzi un pac puternic din camera alăturată. Se auzi un pac puternic din camera alăturată. Obviously, un pac, a gunshot sound, the sound of a gunshot. Now, let's look at the meaning of Romanian interjections. We can have emotive interjections, interjecții emotive, volitive interjections, interjecții volitive, and cognitive interjections, interjecții cognitive. Emotive interjections interjecții emotive are used to express emotions such as disgust or fear. For example, vai, vai, oh my, oh dear. Wow, wow. The equivalent of wow. Off, off. The equivalent of a sigh. Mama, mama. Mama, mama. It's said when expressing something cool or extraordinary. Now, let's make some sentences. Vai, ce m-am speriat când te-am văzut cu ochiul vânăt. Vai, ce m-am speriat când te-am văzut cu ochiul vânăt. Wow, ce bine îți stă rochia verde. Wow, ce bine îți stă rochia verde. Volitive interjections, interjecții volitive, function as imperative or directive expressions, requesting or demanding something from the addressee. For example, shh, shh, be quiet, fă liniște, fă liniște. Iată, iată, somewhat like behold. Psst, psst. Listen closely. Ascultă cu atenție. Psst. Listen closely to my lesson. Now, let's make some sentences. Shh. Încerc să învăț. Fă liniște. Shh. Încerc să învăț. Fă liniște. Psst. Psst. Ascultă cu atenție. Este important. Psst. Ascultă cu atenție. Este important. Aha, am înțeles ce vrei să spui. Aha, am înțeles ce vrei să spui. Cognitive interjections, interjecții cognitive, express feelings which are more related to cognition or information known to the speaker of the utterance. For example, wow, showing surprise. Ah, same as in English. Said when thinking. Now, let's make some sentences. Credeam că am dreptate. Credeam că am dreptate. Ah, chiar trebuie să observ diferențele. Ah, chiar trebuie să observ diferențele. Wow, arată fabulos noul tău birou. Wow, arată fabulos noul tău birou. Let's look now at the use of Romanian interjections within a sentence. Within a sentence, interjections can function as attributes, atribute, verbal equivalents, echivalente verbale, and fillers, umplutură, which has no syntactical function at all. Let's look at some examples. Interjections as attributes. Atribute. Ia să vezi ce-am auzit. Ia să vezi ce-am auzit. Ni la el. Ni la el. Interjections as verbal equivalents. Echivalente verbale. Iată-l pe Ion. Iată-l pe Ion. Uite, el tocmai a ajuns. Uite, el tocmai a ajuns. Ia, a venit bunica. Ia, a venit bunica. Interjections as fillers, umplutură. Mă gândesc ce să fac. Mă gândesc ce să fac. Aha, acum înțeleg. Aha, acum înțeleg. Oh, nici nu m-am gândit. Oh, nici nu m-am gândit. We also have interjections specific to Old Romanian, limba română veche. The presentative interjection is the main grammatical means of performing the presentation in Romanian. In the 16th century, the prototypical presentative interjections are adecă, adecă, and iată, iată, roughly meaning that is. Regionally, they are also recorded as iani, iane, ni, ete, roughly meaning look, that is, look. For example, iacă, iacă, look. Adecă, adecă, behold. Iată eu, behold, I. Iată-ți, iată-ți, here is. Iată-te, iată-te, here it is. This interjection is still used in the western part of Romania, in Ardeal, where I'm from, and I can remember clearly my friend saying, iată-te, a ajuns și Mihnea. There it is. Mihnea arrived. Now, let's see how these would sound in sentences. Remember, this would be Old Romanian. It's even weird for me too. Adecă Dumnezeul nostru înălțăse. Adecă Dumnezeul nostru înălțăse. This is what a priest would probably say at church. Behold, our God is rising. One more time because it sounds funny. Adecă Dumnezeul nostru înălțăse. Adecă eu, Marin, scrisam acest zapis. Adecă eu, Marin, scrisam acest zapis. Basically, this would be in like a legal document, a declaration. Behold, I, Marin, wrote this act of mine. One more time. Adecă eu, Marin, scrisam acest zapis. And one more. Iată-ți muierea ta. Iată-ți muierea ta. Here's your wife. In today's world, this would be kind of rude to say muiere to a woman, so this is old Romanian. Please don't use it when addressing any Romanian lady. Iată-ți muierea ta. Here's your wife. And that's the end of another Romanian language lesson. Now it's your turn. Make a sentence with one of the target words and post it in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe. In that way, you won't miss the next episode. Also, if you can spare $1, consider supporting our project on Patreon. Ciao. This is Mihnea, signing off from Beijing. Bye bye.